Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. This is Learn English with Short Stories.
Hi, friends. I'm David, and I'm Tom's friend.
Yes, and today we are learning English in a simple and friendly way.
We will listen to a short story. Then we will talk about it. And then we will listen again.
This helps your listening and your speaking.
Perfect for A2 learners.
Before we start, if you like this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe.
It really helps us, and it helps other English learners too. All right, let's relax, get comfortable, and let's start learning together.
Short story plus practice. Story title: A Simple Morning. David, are you ready for today's short story?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's listen carefully.
Story. First listen. Every morning, Anna wakes up at 6:30. She does not like waking up early, but she needs to work. She gets out of bed and washes her face. Then she makes a quick breakfast. Her quick breakfast is a banana and a cup of tea. She eats slowly and looks out the window. After breakfast, Anna checks her phone. She reads messages from her friends. Then she gets dressed and leaves her home. She walks to the bus stop. The bus is sometimes late, but today it is on time. Anna feels happy. She listens to music and smiles. Discussion. Understanding the story. Good job listening. Now let's talk about the story slowly.
First question. Who is the story about?
The story is about Anna.
Yes, very good. Anna wakes up early. What time does she wake up?
She wakes up at 6:30.
Correct. Now listen carefully. She does not like waking up early, but she needs to work.
This sentence is very common in real life.
Yes. Let's repeat together.
She does not like waking up early, but she needs to work.
Great job. Now, Tom, what does Anna eat for breakfast? She eats a banana and drinks a cup of tea. Simple food. Very real. Let's make it personal. Listeners, repeat after me. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Nice. Or you can say, my quick breakfast is bread and tea.
Good job. You're improving already.
Key phrases practice. Now let's learn some useful phrases from the story. Phrase 1. Get out of bed.
Get out of bed means you stop sleeping and stand up.
Example. I get out of bed at 7.
Your turn. Pause and say it. Pause cue.
Nice. Well done. Phrase 2. Quick breakfast.
A quick breakfast is a fast breakfast.
Example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Again, say it slowly. Pause cue.
Perfect. Phrase 3. On time.
On time means not late. The bus is on time. Example sentence. My class is on time.
Good job. This is very useful English. Real-life dialogue practice. Now let's do a short conversation.
Listen first.
David. Hi, how is your morning? Tom. It's okay. I woke up early. Tom. What did you eat for breakfast? David. My quick breakfast was a banana. Tom. Nice.
Now, listeners, listen again. Then you can repeat at home. Repeat dialogue slowly again.
Speaking practice. You talk.
Now, it's your turn.
Now it's your turn. Answer this question out loud. What is your quick breakfast? Take a moment. Speak slowly. Pause cue. Excellent. Even if it's small, speaking every day helps a lot. Story continues. A simple morning. Story. First listen. After Anna gets on the bus, she finds a seat near the window. She likes sitting near the window because she can see the city. People are busy. Some people are talking. Some people are using their phones. Some people look sleepy. Anna listens to soft music. The music helps her feel calm. She thinks about her work. She has a meeting today. She feels a little nervous, but she feels ready. The bus stops near her office. Anna gets off the bus and walks to work. She takes a deep breath and smiles. Nice listening. Now let's talk about the story slowly. First question.
Where does Anna sit on the bus?
She sits near the window.
Good job. Why does she like sitting near the window?
Because she can see the city.
Yes, very natural English. Now, listen to this sentence. People are busy.
This sentence is very common.
Let's repeat together. People are busy. Good. You can also say, people are busy in the morning.
Key phrases, step by step. Phrase 1. Get a seat. Get a seat means you get a place to sit. Example, I find a seat on the bus. Now you say it. Pause. Great. Even slow speaking is good speaking.
Phrase 2. Feel calm. Feel calm means relaxed, not stressed. Example, music helps me feel calm. Repeat it. Pause. Nice. Very clear. Phrase 3. A little nervous. A little nervous means a small worry. Example, I feel a little nervous before a meeting. Your turn. Pause. Excellent. Real-life chat practice. Now let's do a short, real conversation. Listen first. David, how do you feel today? Tom, I feel a little nervous. David, why? Tom, I have a meeting at work. David, you'll be fine. Now listen again. Repeat dialogue slowly. You speak. Short answers. Now you answer. Question 1. How do you feel in the morning? Good job. Any answer is okay. Question 2. What helps you feel calm in the morning? Very nice. You're thinking in English now. Story, second listen. Slower. Anna sits near the window on the bus. She sees the city. People are busy. Some people talk. Some people use their phones. Some people feel sleepy. Anna listens to soft music. The music helps her feel calm. She thinks about her meeting. She feels a little nervous, but she feels ready. She gets off the bus. She walks to work. She smiles. Deeper practice. Simple sentences. Now,